In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a hyperlink not working in Microsoft Teams. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive into the steps you can take to resolve this issue. The first step involves repairing Microsoft Teams. Begin by opening the Start menu. You can do this by either clicking the Start button located at the bottom left of your screen or simply pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. Next, in the search bar, type in Microsoft Teams. You'll see the application pop up in the search results. Once you find the Microsoft Teams icon, right-click on it to access more options. From this menu, select App Settings. This action will take you to the settings for the Teams app, where you can find a few troubleshooting options. Once in the app settings, scroll down until you locate the Reset section. Here you will see an option to repair the app. Click on the Repair button. This process is designed to fix various issues without deleting your personal app data, which is important if you want to maintain your settings and workspace. If repairing the app does not resolve the problem, don't worry, you have another option. The next step is to reset Microsoft Teams. Please note that this step will delete your app preferences and will require you to sign in again after the process. So, it is advisable to use the repair step first. To reset, return to the app settings for Microsoft Teams, just like you did earlier. Once there, look for the same Reset section. This time, instead of clicking Repair, click the Reset button. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you really want to proceed with this action. Go ahead and click Reset again to confirm. Once you have completed either the repair or the reset process, it's crucial to restart your computer. Restarting ensures that all changes you've made will take full effect and allows for any updates to be applied. Simply save your work and restart your PC to complete this step. After restarting, you can open Microsoft Teams and test whether the hyperlink issue has been resolved. Ensure you check the hyperlinks that were not working before to see if they are now functioning correctly. If you still encounter issues with hyperlinks not working in Microsoft Teams, even after following these steps, it might be worthwhile to check your internet connection or even see if there are any updates available for Microsoft Teams itself. Keeping your applications up to date can often resolve lingering issues. That covers the main steps to fix non-working hyperlinks in Microsoft Teams. By repairing or resetting the app and ensuring your system is updated, you should have a seamless experience working with links in your Teams environment. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips